Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is a daring foray into the luxury motorhome industry, thanks to Volvo's eco-friendly features, Scandinavian design, and safety. Volvo's design, sustainability, and ingenious utility are all reflected in the convenience and elegance of this motorhome. Outside design, the sleek, aerodynamic design of the 2026 Volvo Motorhome makes it stand out. Volvo FMX platforms or heavy-duty Volvo chassis are used in motorhomes. External characteristics include sleek aluminum and composite panel construction, frameless double-glazed panoramic windows, and Volvo Thor Hammer LED headlights. A satellite dome with rooftop solar panels, power awnings, and underfloor storage. Volvo performance and style go hand in hand with status, comfort and style indoors. Enter a minimalist haven in Scandinavia. Natural light, open areas, and straight lines are prized. Premium leather or wool mix furniture, ash or birch cabinets, and floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows are all features of the living room. The scene is enhanced with multicolored ambient lighting and a 55-inch smart TV that retracts. The kitchen has a large refrigerator, freezer, full-sized induction cooktop, convection oven, purified water tap, and solid surface counters with built-in lighting. A king-size memory foam bed featuring a touchscreen control panel, soundproof walls, ambient ceiling light panels, and underbed storage. Bathroom, spa-style wet bath with rain shower, stone-textured tiles, smart mirror, and heated flooring. Volvo protects the environment and human health by using hypoallergenic, sustainably sourced materials. Networking and technology. Infotainment, an Android-powered control center for heating, cooling, lighting, and security that can be accessed via a smartphone app or a large touchscreen mounted on the wall. It comes with a 5G antenna, wireless charging, and Starlink satellite internet. Voice-activated blinds, AI-assisted energy optimization, and zone-based climate control are examples of smart systems. Volvo Motorhome 2026 power plants differ in terms of performance and powertrain. D8K mild hybrid diesel for greater efficiency over long distances. The electric Volvo e-Motorhome has a 300-kilometer range and charges quickly. Regenerative braking and intelligent terrain control all-wheel drive is optional for winter and off-road usage. This motorhome feels like an SUV thanks to Volvo's quick steering and adjustable air suspension. Features for safety, with features like semi-autonomous highway driving with pilot assistance, 360-degree cameras, radar-based collision prevention, emergency braking, lane keep assistance, fatigue warning, gas leak sensors, pedestrian and cyclist identification, and fire suppression in living areas. The RV epitomizes Volvo's unrivaled safety. No motorhome on the road is safer than this one. Expense and availability. The starting price of the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is $280,000, while bespoke designs can cost up to $400,000. For exclusivity, Volvo provides customized interior design and restricted manufacturing. Verdict Volvo Motorhomes 2026 is a symbol of safety, sustainability, and contemporary style. Volvo competes in the luxury RV industry thanks to its peace of mind. This RV makes long-term or weekend travel appealing, safe, and tranquil.